How to set up Livestream theme OBS Live. Setting up a Livestream theme in OBS enhances the visual appeal of your broadcast, maintains consistency across streams, and reinforces your brand identity for viewers. Now, if we are going to go ahead and install a theme here in our OBS, it's actually going to be very manual. Unlike if you're going to do it with Streamlabs, wherein you can just go ahead and look for a scene in here and then go ahead and use that particular scene or particular theme. Now, we're going to go ahead and get that done because as you can see, I have this particular theme in here, and it is also the theme that I am currently using here in my Streamlabs OBS. So as you can see, this is how it looks right now. There you go. So yep, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this done. So first things first, let's try to take a look at some of the scenes or themes available in here. We are going to go ahead and install something. So yep, let's say for example, alright, this one here, I'm going to go ahead and install this one. Alright, as you can see, we have already installed it. Now let's click this one here, click Manage Scene Collection, and make sure that it is in here. So as you can see, in the Manage Scene Collections, it automatically creates this one in here. Now from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and import this one here in our Streamlabs or here in our OBS. Now go ahead and click Scene Collections, and this time we're going to go ahead and click the import button. Now from this point forward, go ahead and make sure to click add. Now as you can see, I am already in here. This is the scene collections, but if not, then this is how you're going to find it. We're going to go back to our local disk C. Alright, from here we're going to click users, and then this one here, this is the PC's name. After doing that, we're going to click app data. Now app data is usually hidden, so just go ahead and look for that or make sure that it is shown. Now I'm going to click this one. Now from this point forward, go ahead and click roaming, and we're going to go ahead and look for SLOBS or Slobs client. Now click this one, and we're going to look for scene collections. There you go. Now I'm going to click this, and this is the latest one, 1139, so we're going to be using this one. So I'm going to click it, and you can see that it has identified the name itself. Now from this point forward, go ahead and click the import button, and you're done. All that is left is for you to choose it. Now there you go. Alright, now this is how it looks. As you can see, there's a movement already. Let's try to check if there is a transition. Alright, there you go. That's a transition, right? Now these are the screens. Now click this one here. Still the same thing for Be Right Back. Starting soon. And of course we have Collab Cam. Live scene. Alright, congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to get that done. Now you know how to set up live streaming theme on OBS Live Studio. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.